Letter C. This is uppercase C. This is lowercase c. Today we will learn words starting from letter C. And we will also learn sounds of letter C. Let's start. C. C is for cat. Cat.
C is for cat. Cat.
C is for cow. Cow.
C is for cow. Cow.
C is for cup. Cup.
C is for cup. Cup.
C is for crow. Crow.
C is for crow. Crow.
C is for coat. Coat.
C is for coat. Coat.
C is for cake. Cake.
C is for cake. Cake.
C is for carrot. Carrot.
C is for carrot. Carrot.
C is for car. Car.
C is for car. Car.
C is for cap. Cap.
C is for cap. Cap.
C is for camel. Camel.
C is for camel. Camel.
C is for clock. Clock.
C is for clock. Clock.
C is for candy. Candy.
C is for candy. Candy.
C is for candle. Candle.
C is for candle. Candle.
C is for camera. Camera.
C is for camera. Camera.
C is for coin. Coin.
C is for coin. Coin.
C is for crown. Crown.
C is for crown. Crown.
C is for corn. Corn.
C is for corn.
C is for cupboard. C, cupboard.
C is for cupboard. Cupboard.
C is for cookies. Cookies.
C is for cookies. Cookies.
C is for clown. Clown.
C is for clown. Clown.
C is for crab. Crab.
C is for crab. Crab.
C is for cane. Cane.
C is for cane. Cane.
C is for cactus. Cactus.
C is for cactus. Cactus.
C is for cucumber. Cucumber.
C is for cucumber. Cucumber.
Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Cup. Cup. Crow. Crow. Coat. Coat. Cake. Cake. Carrot. Carrot. Car. Car. Cap. Cap. Camel. Camel. Clock. Clock. Candy. Candy. Candle. Candle. Camera. Camera. Coin. Coin. Crown. Crown. Corn. Corn. Cupboard. Cupboard. Cookies. Cookies. Clown. Clown. Crab. Crab. Cane. Cane. Cactus. Cactus. Cucumber. Cucumber.
Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Cup. Crow. Crow. Coat. Coat. Cake. Cake. Carrot. camel. Camel. Clock. Clock. Candy. Candy. Candle. Candle. Camera. Camera. Coin. Coin. Crown. Crown. Corn. Corn. Cupboard. Cupboard. Cookies. Cookies. Clown. Clown. Crab. Crab. Cane. Cane. Cactus. Cactus. Cucumber. Cucumber. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.